All right, here's my finished print. As you can see, the inside of the ears on both sides has been printed with another piece and added. The eyes have been printed, the white part first, then the black inner part, and then the pupil was stuck in the middle. We also have, I guess, what they call stains. 1, 2, 3 were printed and placed in place. And so this is how it turned out. Pretty nice. The PLA, this was PLA filament. And you can see all the way around. It's articulated, but it doesn't sit up or do anything, doesn't do any tricks or anything like that. So essentially it just is literally articulated, but it just pretty much sits flat on its stomach on the table. So anyway, it turned out all right, turned out well. It is kind of brittle. The PLA plastic that I used, it's almost a translucent, kind of gives it kind of a brittle aspect to it. The PLA is more dense. It has, I guess, something been added to it to give it more density. This particular filament, it is PLA, but it's kind of almost translucent. So you can almost see, I guess you can see here almost the color through the plastic. See right there? You can see almost through it. So anyway, it turned out pretty good, like I say. Oh, and of course the nose was printed in black PLA. But there we go. Another fine job.